Welcome to the world of a corn snake. Hey, you just spotted me. Now we'll have to do this from close up. Here we go. See him curling in the back? He knows I'm looking, so let's just go slow. Don't get too excited. We know you're there. See how he's curling up behind the bromeliads? He's making a go for it as he's sliding out of the area. That little gray mass. I'm not going to get too close. They're not poisonous, but then again, I don't relish getting bit by a snake either. Here he goes. He disappeared. And he came out on the other side. Hello! Just saying hello for a quick second, then you can hide. You can go and hide. Oh, you walk fast. Alright, time to say goodbye. We're not taking a chance, but we know where you're hiding. You're in there somewhere, but okay, that's it for now.